Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I bring you great news in regards to science and technology. Another star is born, you guys. And what I mean by star, smart tissue autonomous robot. Yes, that's right. The topic is robotics. There's a robot that's performing soft tissue surgery in the year of 2022. But let's go ahead and back it up 6 years prior to 2022. 2016 was a test run initially for the Star robot. Another model at that time had performed surgery to repair a pig's intestines. Can you say chitlins? Yes, that's right. They performed surgery on a pig intestines. But the older Star robot made a large incision and couldn't go further without the help of human hands. So speeding back into the present, into the future, 2022, without making a large incision, the Star robot was capable of making a small incision to enter the abdomen to provide laparoscopic surgery on soft tissue. Now, this surgery is better known as keyhole surgery. Man, I had to say this was the most difficult surgery known to man, in my opinion. A major key for the keyhole surgery is remaining extremely focused, having patience, and constant repetitive movement. Now, that is hard for a human to do, but there's always room for human error. It's definitely possible. So what human actually wants to be on the other end of that knife when your surgeon has an itch, or coughs, or sneeze, or hands is a little bit shaky for being up all night, partying and drinking? Not my surgeon. I'll take a robot any day. Now, there has been other autonomous robot surgeries that exist, but this is the first autonomous robot surgery on soft tissue in the year 2022. Now, I just want to advise, the pig did make it. The pig did survive. And it has been a week since the surgery. The doctors has mentioned the pig is doing successfully after 1 week of having that surgery. So it's definitely a big step for robots. Small step for man. But without man, there wouldn't be any robots. So moving on to the future, just expect these robots now to perform all sorts of procedures, whether it's soft tissue or maybe even implanting chips in your brain, according to Elon Musk. So stay tuned, people. I'm bringing you all the science technology news that I can find as I can find it. So you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, click TV. I'm out.